Hello everyone, I am a mobile phone maker. No one would have thought that the appearance of the Redmi Note series Shenzhen would be so good. The first 15K curved screen Redmi Note 13 Pro is not like a terminal at all. Many flagship phones are better looking. Maybe it is because this year is the 10th anniversary of Redmi. The official efforts have gone too far. After installing Redmi Note 13 Pro, everyone still has the familiar Redmi style. This is a 16GB plus 512GB net magnetic board. It is recommended that the plain leather Light Dream Galaxy color matching is more beautiful. Of course, the craftsmanship is also more complicated. First, the accessories end. The button manual and the mobile phone case provided were not a transparent clear water shell, but a black silicone shell. It was still a soft shell. The workmanship was quite good and the feel of the light application was also very good. Well, the level has gone up all of a sudden. Put the phone aside. At the bottom is the charging set. A 20-watt desalination charger with a maximum output of 20 volts and Type-C charging cable. Take out the phone and peel off the sticker. At first glance, the appearance is absolutely amazing. It is definitely the best looking phone ever made by Redmi. The white color scheme is more suitable for women. The top is purple and the bottom is gold. The contrasting design is very beautiful. The process cost caused by contrasting colors is not low, because the back shell is a piece of glass. The non-spliced part is made of glossy finish, and the bottom part is made of frosted finish. The camera module of Redmi Note 13 Pro is separated from the two-color pattern flashlight and the glossy top surface has a good-looking and high-quality feel. The camera module of Redmi Note 13 Pro is separated. It adopts a relatively large 2-pixel main camera and 8mm ultra-wide angle in a coverless design, and uses a metal decorative ring to protect the segmented bumps. The small black circle seems to be a metal screen. The screen uses a 25-degree customized curved surface, but the frame is at a right angle. The grip is really good. The speaker is equipped with an infrared remote control. The card slot is equipped with a Type-C charging interface. The volume keys on the side of the speaker and the power button of Redmi Note 13 Pro is pre-installed with MIUI 14 system. Due to the removal of the screen plastic bracket, the frame is also very narrow. The screen fingerprint entry and unlocking experience is consistent with other mobile phones. It is hotter than the flagship Xiaomi Mi 13 and other models. The one difference is that the MIUI 14 from the mother-in-law's 13 is cut off. Of course, animation is a good thing. After all, smoothness is the priority. There is not much need for animation. It's just a curved screen. Home of 13 friends in the Redmi building. The quality of this screen is also far ahead among domestic screens. 5K washing C7 screen. Up to 120 Hz refresh rate. 12 bits. It does not change color when tilted at various angles. The viewing angle is also good. The valued brightness is 1800 nits. It supports 1920 Hz high screen P-power dimming and high brightness DC dimming. It has good eye and display quality. This is a flagship level screen. Comparing the appearance of the curved screen of Xiaomi Mi 13, there is basically no difference between the two. Redmi 13 is equipped with MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset. Among some mobile phones of the same class, this is a mid-range chip with sufficient performance. AnTuTu the score was 77 million, and the second run was 7,630,000. The CPU performance of Kali is similar to that of Snapdragon 782G. The GPU score is 3143. The FS3.1 flash memory score has a continuous read of 1948 MB per second and a continuous write of 1709 MB per second. In terms of Tencent performance dog test, Genshin Impact has an average frame rate of 60 frames and an average frame rate of 47.6 frames. The average power consumption is 4.6. The overall running smoothness is okay. Ping Elite Ultra High Quality 60 frames average frame rate 59, 9 frames average power consumption 3.7 watts. If it supports 90 frames, it is estimated that there is no pressure. Honor Ultra High Resolution 90 frames, average frame rate 90. One frame sample supports 120 people. What's the pressure? The main camera of the 100 million pixel Samsung SP3 Exploration version plus OS optical image stabilization. The camera performance of the Redmi Note 13 Pro is somewhat beyond expectations.